Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Moorish Cuisine. Today I am making Kashmiri chai, which is also called noon chai. Back home in Pakistan in winter season, almost in every shadi they serve this Kashmiri chai. It's actually a winter treat. So without further ado, let's go and make it happen. Let's start our recipe with Bismillah. In a pan, I added some water. Now I'm adding Kashmiri chai leaves or pink tea leaves with badiyan ka phool, any star seed, with cinnamon stick and cardamom. Start cooking and bring it to one boil. Now I'm adding baking soda in there. And now bring your flame to the lowest setting, and now here comes the procedure. We need to cook this water until it reduces to 3/4 cup on a slow flame, and we will keep on aerating it with the help of spoon like so. This will actually here you can see the water will start to change its color. From green it is turning into a reddish pinkish tone. This procedure sounds little tedious and lengthy, but I'm telling you it's totally worth it. And here you can see the water is changing and it's turning into more reddish deep color. So when water is reduced, now we will shock this water again with very cold icy water. This will also deepen the color and let it come to another boil, and then here you can see the deep red color. Now this kahwa or tea is done. You can strain it into a container with the lid, and you can keep this kahwa into fridge for up to 1 week. So this is one recipe which you can make ahead and serve it and enjoy it whenever you want. So whenever you are ready to enjoy this Kashmiri chai, just take milk, heat the milk in a saucepan and add this kahwa. Now if you want, you can add sugar, you can add one more cardamom for that extra flavor. Usually Kashmiri chai or noon chai is served with salt, but it's up to you. Just transfer it onto a cup and garnish it with some chopped pistachios and enjoy this Kashmiri chai in this winter season. And if you're trying this recipe at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.